Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DocuSign how to bulk send. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now currently the DocuSign mobile app doesn't support bulk sending directly, as this feature is typically handled through the web version. However, you can use DocuSign web app to bulk send documents to multiple recipients using a CSV file. In order to do it, first what you need to do is head over and then open up your DocuSign app. Then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account. Now once logged in, tap on the plus icon on the bottom of your screen, then tap on request signatures. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is then tap on templates and then select send an envelope. Then upload your document and add any necessary fields like signature and initials. Then scroll down to the recipient section and click on bulk send. Then upload your CSV file with recipient details like first name, last name, email and etc. Once uploaded, DocuSign will process and allow you to place fields on the document, then review and then send the document. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.